All right. Okay. Yeah. I'm Dr. Min San Su, the faculty in computer science, and also the CS program coordinator. So I have been here for more than 20, I would say 22 years. So I have been here for quite a long time. And then teaching this course, similar in programming. Basically, you will be learning how to create GUI applications using Java. GUI application will be those, for example, drop-down buttons, radio buttons, and then input boxes. Because those are the applications that a company would expect you to be able to create after you graduate. So I enjoy teaching this course, and then also the second half of this course, we will be learning JavaScript, because again, as of now, the ranking of, to my knowledge, the ranking of programming languages, Python is still ranked #1. Then next one, I could be Java, and then I think next one it could be JavaScript. So it's kind of still ranked within top 5 of the programming languages or software developers should know. So that's why the second half of this course we will be learning JavaScript. But before I get started, any questions? So again, this is cs2513. And then if you are taking CS1003, Computers in Society, the room will be next one. We swap classrooms because of the needs of using the software. All right. So usually, just like most of the professors on the first day of class, most of the professors are not going to cover much, but definitely they will cover the syllabus. So I will do the same. And again, to save trees, I do not print out hard copies for each one of you, but I put the syllabus over the canvas. So you can, if you want to, you can log into Canvas. So this will be the address, canvas.se.edu. In case if this is the first semester, you take classes at the Southeastern. So this will be the web address, canvas.se.edu. And then once you log into it using your given login name and password, and then you will see some tiles like this. Basically, this one will represent the course the instructor has made it available over campus. So for my class, I have made it all available over campus. And then once you get to there, then you can just look at the left-hand side. So we have this kind of menus here, menu items over here. Yours might be a little bit different than mine. Oh, by the way, if you are taking 103, you will be next room. Next one. So again, since I'm the instructor, so my menu items on the left might be different than yours. But then the next column, I usually go to see items like home, announcements, syllabus, So I put the syllabus on here. So you can click the syllabus. And then I put, sometimes I put PDF file, sometimes I put Microsoft Word file over there, then you can download it. But then for the rest of the descriptions, since this is an online class, so I will just go by the information that I put in the syllabus file. Any questions? All good? All right, okay, so let me quickly go through it. Okay, yeah. Enlarge, okay, enlarge the size, screen size a little bit. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is CS2513 seminar in programming. Okay, this is for 2024. The class time will be 9:30 to 10:45 okay, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay. So we will meet twice. We'll meet twice a week. Okay. And again, in case that if you are not able to come to the class for whatever reasons, it could be that maybe weather is bad, yeah, or maybe car troubles. There are, car battery dead or something, or maybe some of our students have this part-time job or even close to full-time job, so they might have job training reasons or maybe health reasons. Then you can kind of using this kind of Zoom Zoom to log in from whatever wherever you are to watch the lecture class lecture at real time during our class time. But then again, if you do not have access to internet, no worries. As you can see that I record the class lecture. Okay, yeah, I will try my best every time. And once after the class then I will make it available and then upload it to YouTube, and I will put the link over Canvas as well. Okay, yeah, so that you can watch it, you can review it if you want to later. Okay, yeah, so again, don't get stressed that you have to be here every class, every time. No. Okay, yeah, we all have personal stuff attend to sometimes. All right, prerequisites. So again, I expect you to have at least programming concept. Again, if you are transferred from a different school, such as Grayson, to my knowledge, the programming one they use over there, I think, it is C++. But here we use Java. But if you have taken programming one, then the basic coding concepts will be the same. In addition to that, today and also some lecture time next on Thursday, I will do a review on Java. So again, if you are not familiar with Java, it's fine. Just spend some time learn about Java. Then you just need the basic concepts of coding. That's all. And also Java. That's all. Yeah, you don't need to go really deep into kind of this class inheritance, data structures. No. Just basic programming concept in Java would be fine. All right, required textbook. This is the textbook we will be using, and it is same textbook used here for programming 1, programming 2, data structures, and this course. The reason is that we try to save students money, so that's why we use the same book. Okay, yeah. Otherwise, if we switch to, let's say, different textbook or data structures, then you have to spend money to buy it. So maybe it's not a good idea. All right, and then reference textbooks, those are not required. And as I mentioned it, later on, second half of this semester, we'll be learning JavaScript. Then I will have notes prepared. You just need to watch those, read and read those notes, and then watch the videos. That's it. Yeah. All right, instructor information. So again, I'm your instructor. Min San Su. I got my PhD degree from OU. 20 plus something years ago, in computer science. And then at that time, my research area was in the so-called distributed networking. Okay, but then now again, the technologies have changed so much. Okay, so now I kind of switch my interest into so-called Internet of Things, IoT, and also AI. I mean, it's huge, right? It's huge right now. Yeah, we'll talk about AI later. Yeah. Good thing. Okay. Yeah. Office location. My office is within this building. In CB 130. The farthest end of this building. Then you might be thinking that, so why you say this within this building? Isn't it should be in this building? Not really. In the past, before this building was built, we can move around. We can move around. But fortunately, now we can teach classes in this building, and our offices, the faculty's offices are all in this building too. Email, really short, msu@sd.edu, and then that is the best way to contact me. You say, well, you got this office phone number there. Well, sometimes when you call, maybe I'm not in my office. Like right now, I'm teaching, right? And then I have another class. Right after this one. But then if you send an email, definitely I will check on it. I check email at least twice a day. At least twice a day. Office hours will be kind of Monday from this interval in the afternoon, this interval. But then again, if the time they're not meet your need, no problems. Just email me, or call me. Definitely, I will find the time to meet with you. Even late in the afternoon is fine. I live in Durant, so I usually stay on campus up to 5 o'clock. Virtual office hours will be Wednesday from 8:15 to 9:45. So basically, in case that if you do not want to physically stop by my office, you say, hey, can I ask you questions through, let's say, Zoom? Sure, why not? Then again, here's my fixed Zoom ID. You won't change. Similarly, if those hours are not good for you, shoot me an email, and I can walk with you. No problem at all. All right. Course description. Let's see. The purpose of this course is to teach students how to develop GUI, graphical user interface. Also called Windows application. And then again, it will be applications having buttons, radio buttons, check boxes, drop down lists, text boxes, menu bars, and then sub menus, and then pop-up windows, etc. You say, well, can you give a very simple example? Sure. I believe that all of you have used Word, right? Microsoft Word. And if we look at let me minimize this one. If we look at this Microsoft Word application, then you can see that, I see at the top we have those so-called menu, right? Menu. And then if you click, let's say, let me click File, for example. Then you can see that. Maybe try this one. Insert. Insert. You can see that it has sub items. It has sub items pop up, right? And then some even having icons, or even sub items. If you click on that, so they will be kind of a very simple example of GUIs. And then you can think of the editing area. Will be the text input box. So again, in this course, we will learn about how to create applications like this. Okay, yeah, and then as of now, you can see that this is the so-called single document application. But in a real world scenario, I mean, there might be another button once you click, then another screen will show up. Okay, yeah, so there will be the so-called multi-document application. So we'll learn about it as well. Okay, yeah. Oh, sorry. All right, okay, and yeah, and also again, the course cover major topics of fundamental programming, including selection, repeating, as well as fundamental concepts of Java oriented programming. And then the next one is quite important, is the so-called event-driven programming. Okay, yeah, because when you took CS1, CS2, all the programs you have created will be kind of in the so-called command line mode or text mode. And then they might ask you to enter some input and you generate output. So it's kind of a little bit sequential processing, right? From top down, sequential processing. But in a real world scenario, such as this word application, right? Then you can see that among the menu items over here on the top, over the menu bar, you have no clue which button the user is going to click first. So the structure is not like the way you write your code in your programming 1, programming 2. Because then you couldn't predict which button or which item the end user is going to click first. But then your program needs to react to that. So how do you react to that? So there is the so-called event-driven program. So which means that if the end user can move the mouse button, and then click view, boom, then it will generate a so-called click event. And I'll show you click event on what item? On the view item. So again, or maybe I might again over here, I might type something in there. So again, that will generate another event. So there will be the so-called key press, key enter events. So again, we will learn about the event-driven programming. Similarly, I mean, while moving the mouse pointer. Oh, by the way, in case that if you are taking 103 Happiness in Society, the classroom has been changed to there. Okay, sorry for it. We try to help students. So in case that if you move your mouse pointer over here, and then you right-click your mouse button, so it generates another event. So there is the so-called right-click event. Then a sub-menu pop-up, also called context menu pop-up. And from there, the end user can pick different item. So again, in a real-world scenario, definitely you have to be able to to create event-driven applications and design it as well. So this course will put more emphasis on creating basic and advanced GUI applications. So again, it's kind of very different than the applications you have been creating in CS1 or CS2. In CS1 or CS2. But again, we will use the basic knowledge you learn from programming one for this course. Our course objectives is a long list of items. I'm not going to bother you with it. Feel free to read it. Even though I'm not going to read it, but I encourage you to read it. When you have time. All right, okay, evaluation and examination. Okay, so basically, we will have several programming assignments and also get 3 exams. Okay, 3 exams. Okay, and then how about the grading? Then you can see that project or homework, it is weighted about 55% of your overall grade. Okay. And first exam get 15%, get second exam 15%, final exam 15%. Okay. So again, I'm more concerned about whether you will be able to create applications or not. Okay, yeah. Of course, I mean, I hope that you do well on the exams, but in the real world scenario, I mean, your potential employer will be more interested in, hey, I mean, can you create something instead of you are just good at taking exams? Maybe, they would prefer the other way. They would prefer you will be able to really create something. Yeah. Okay, and then again, if you got the overall grade of 90 and higher, definitely you will get an A. B between 80 and 89, C 70 and 79, D 60 and between 60 and 69. Below that, I would prefer not to give grade like that. Okay, yeah. So again, if for whatever reasons, your grades kind of maybe a little bit below D, before the end of the semester, talk to me. Okay, talk to me. We'll figure out something. To let you get a better grade. Okay, yeah. All right, and then again, don't count on rounding up your final course grade because it's kind of troublesome. Let's say if a student got a let's say 89.4, another one got an 89.5, then I say, okay, 89.5, I will give you an A. Then how about the student got an 89.4? Should I give an A or not? It's kind of troublesome. Okay, yeah. So again, please do your best. Don't come down rounding up. For your final course grade. Okay, yeah. Course policies, attendance. Again, I hope that you can come in each time. But then again, sometimes we got flat tire. It happened to me. Car's battery is dead. It happened to me in the past. So if you couldn't come, it's fine. Really is fine. Yeah, I mean, if you want to shoot me an email, it's fine. Otherwise, again, just log into the Canvas, and then you can watch the video once it's made available. I couldn't guarantee you that I will upload it at the same day, right after class, because sometimes I have meetings to attend to. But then I will try to upload it, make it available the next day. Yeah. But I will try my best to upload it at the same day, the video at the same day. Yeah. Assignments, again, all the assignments will be due midnight on the due date. Okay, yeah, and then again try to train yourself to manage time better. Okay, I'm guilty of it. Sometimes I wait until the last minute, all the day when something is due, and then prepare the document. I'm guilty of it, but I hope that we can all do better managing our time. Yeah. All right, and again, this course we'll be using Java, and then second half of the semester we'll be using JavaScript. They are kind of the same, but usage wise, it's kind of quite different. Okay, yeah, Java and JavaScript. Yeah. But again, don't worry about it. Okay, you time to learn about it. Makeup exams. Again, if for whatever reasons you missed the task, hey, just let me know. Let me know. And then give me a good reason. Give me a good reason, and we can arrange a time for you to take the makeup exam. Okay, yeah. But if you do not email me, okay, or contact me, then I have no choice. Okay, then I have to put a 0, okay, on the exam. Okay, yeah. Even though I prefer not to do that. Yeah. Okay, academic dishonesty. Okay, again, please get do your own work. Okay, yeah, do your own work. Okay, and then write your own code. Okay, yeah, and again, get if you say, well, I mean, okay, I would like to help get other classmates to do their homework. Sure. It's highly encouraged. But please get help others get with intelligent. Yeah, I mean, you say, what do you mean by that? Yeah, here's my story. Yeah. So when I was young, learning this Fortran programming, there was many years ago. Okay, yeah, at that time there was no Java. Okay, so I was learning kind of Fortran programming. Yeah, and then one of my classmates approached me, said, "Hey, I mean, I got a kind of full-time job. I was really busy, and this kind of final project is pretty tough. Can you help me out?" Then I said, "Oh, sure. So I just I was really naive. I just get him the source code. Yeah. And then after the due day, few days later, the instructor just kind of said, "Hey, you come to my office." And then I didn't know what's going on. And then the instructor just said, "Hey, how come both of you have the same source code?" Wow. That was a shock to me. Yeah. Why I was kind of too naive. I thought that people would just refer to the code, make changes. Okay, yeah. But then again, that was not a good approach. If you want to help someone. So again, you want to help someone, spend time, sit down, with that person, and then help that person do the coding. Not even your source code to that person. So again, if you want to help someone, sure. But then help the person with kind of intelligence. You have to be aware of what to do. Yeah. All right. And and then over here, they talks about So how many of you have used let's say ChatGPT or AI related applications? All right, good for you. Okay, yeah. So in my course, I strongly encourage you to use AI. Even use AI to write a code for you. You say, "You serious?" I'm serious. Because nowadays, when a company try to hire someone, they would prefer to hire a programmer know how to use AI. And you say, what is that? Productivity. Productivity. So again, maybe you have in CS programming 1, you have written some, let's say, nested looping structures to retrieve data from a 2-dimensional array, for example. And if I say, "Hey, can you write a code right now?" Oh yeah, definitely you will write a code. But to generate the correct result, it might take you 10 minutes. Right? Not to mention a guy like me, pretty poor at typing, it might take me more than 10 minutes to get it done. But if let's say Microsoft's Copilot or ChatGPT is available to me, then all I need to do is just say, "Hey, I need to solve this problem." Type in the prompt sign and generate the code for me. You can even pick a language in Python, in Java, in JavaScript, in C++, in C#. How long will it take? to my knowledge, less than 30 seconds. But should you verify the code? Yeah, of course. You need to verify the code, right? Especially if it's Python, is really easy. Just copy the code, fire up your browser. Okay, go to and then type in this Colab, COLAB, Colab dot google.com. I think colab.research.google.com. And then create a notebook, pass the code in there, run it, boom. You will know definitely whether the result is correct or not. So again, productivity. Okay, so that's why I strongly encourage you to use AI to write a code. Yeah. And even though for some unknown reasons, many of other departments, faculty, they are kind of against that. Against their students using AI. I don't know. I mean, I believe they have their reasons. But then for me, I'm all for AI. I'm all for AI. But at the same time, you might be thinking about, well, I mean, I heard that AI is going to take our jobs, programmer jobs. Not really. It is just that it will. I mean, the way for the kind of the job of programmer, the proportion of your the weight of your task you do it daily will change. For example, I mean, before AI, maybe your boss throw you a project or question, and you work on it. So maybe you spend let's say assume you can get it done within a day, 8 hours. So maybe you spend about, I don't know, I mean, let's say 30% of the time thinking about how to solve that problem, right? You think first, right? You think first. And then once you think, okay, I mean, this is clear, you should be able to solve that problem. Now kind of got your logic done or pseudocode done, right? Then you say, oh, now I need to do the coding. So you spend 40% of your time in that day to write the code. But then how about the next 30%? I mean, when you have done the coding, you have to verify, right? Make sure that the code, I mean, generate correct result. You have to test your code, right? So you spend 20% of time to use different inputs to test your code, to make sure that you generate the correct result. And then you say, well, how about other 10% of the time? Hey, documentation. I mean, again, when you take data science, software engineering, then you know that software, not just including code, no, software including documentation as well. It's just like if you have written a wonderful software, but you do not provide documentation, tell people how to use it, then, I mean, what good it will be about you. So that's why software, including documentation. All right, so now back to this AI thing. But then with AI available to you, then it becomes like this. Hey, I mean, you used to spend 40% of your time to write a code. Now it might get reduced to what? To only 10% because AI is so fast. About you? But still, the code validation part and then also documentation part, you still need to do it. About you? So again, especially the kind of quality control part, you still need to do it. But kind of the weight you spend on writing code, that part got reduced. That part got reduced. So again, then it will give you extra time, right? It give you extra time to maybe work on second project about you. So it's just like in the past, let's say before AI, I mean, in a day, 8 hours, you can only work on one project, according to the ratios that I just mentioned a moment ago. Am I with you? But then now, okay, with AI, the time you write the code reduce from 40% of your time in the daily, in the day to maybe 10%, right? And then also the validation time reduce from 20%, maybe to 10%. So imagine, so it's just like, I mean, now with the help of AI, in a day to attack a project, you just need maybe 5 hours. That's it. About you. So it give you additional 3 hours. Again, then you can talk to your boss. Hey, I mean, I got it done already, all tested, documented, everything is fine. Hey, I mean, any next project you want me to work on? You see, company would love it. They would love you, right? And promote you. Why? Productivity. About you, productivity. Okay, so again, that's why I strongly encourage you to use AI to write code. Okay, yeah. But again, can make sure that the code, you modify the code. Okay, yeah. I mean, we all heard about AI will have this kind of how do you call it? Hallucination. You will generate some code. Maybe it's not correct. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you have to be aware of situation like that. For me, I use AI when I taught the new course, data analysis course in summer, using Python, and then I found out some code. Sometimes the code got generated. It's not quite right. Okay, yeah. But again, I know the language, so the Python language, so I can go in and then make a minor modification. Yeah. All right. Okay. So again, I don't mind you use AI at all. Okay. Yeah. I don't mind. Yeah. All right. Okay. Posting of grades. Okay. Yeah, posting of grades. Okay. Again. Yeah. Once I have put in your homework, I will make it available. Okay. Over Canvas. Okay. In addition to that, okay. My personal style. Okay. I also post an announcement as well. Okay. So that. You can check your grade. In addition to that, when I grade students get homework, always has a kind of spreadsheet, like a rubric, and then mention about, hey, you've done this part well, and then if you even put in extra efforts on your homework, I even give bonus points. But then some parts, if your program does not generate the correct result, I will point it out as well. Okay, so you can make some improvement. Okay, yeah. So this is my style. Okay, yeah. Okay, American with Disabilities Act. So in case that if you think that maybe you need a larger screen, or bigger table or something, because whatever reasons, for example, my eyesight is not good. Okay, so sometimes I need to get a large screen to help me out to read something. Or again, if you need some special arrangement, please contact the people there. The phone number is there. And then they will figure out a way to help you out. Okay, yeah. Okay, for the equal opportunity statement, you can read it. Okay, yeah, you can read it. Title IX, you can read it. Mental health support. That is not my specialty. So again, if you feel that you need to talk to someone, yeah. Okay. Or something happened. You again need to have someone to give you some good advice. Yeah, you can email. But I'm a computer guy. You say, but then you say, oh, you got a doctor's degree. Yeah, but I fix computers, okay? I don't fix human being, okay? Don't get me wrong, okay? I would love to help, okay? But if your computer have problem, hey, come to me, I can help. But no, health issues, especially mental things, no, that is not my specialty. Yeah. So feel free to contact the number there. Okay. They have experts. Okay. They can help you out. Okay. Yeah. All right, okay, conversations, okay, you can read it, okay. Face masculine, even though COVID has kind of, faded away already, but then, surprised me from time to time, I still heard people say, hey, I got a COVID. So again, you would like to come to class, get with a mask on it, sure, why not? It's fine with me. Okay, yeah. All right, okay, and then yeah, updated COVID policy, you can read it, okay. And then along with other things, you can read it. So this will be kind of our tentative schedule, okay. Week 1, okay. I will cover the syllabus, okay, and then depends on the time, okay. If we have time, okay, I will cover some basic Java syntax. If we do not have it, it's fine. Okay? This week, and then maybe sometime next week, I plan to review the basic Java syntax. Okay, yeah. So we are good. And then again, okay, I would expect that. I think maybe sometime next week, we will start touching upon topics in chapter 12. Okay, yeah, Java FX. Okay, yeah. All right, and again, for the rest of the chapters, in due time, we will learn about it. Okay, and then kind of around 12, week 12, then we will start learning about JavaScript. Okay, yeah, basic JavaScript, not in depth. Okay, yeah. Holidays, you can find it out. Okay, yeah, and then calendars, school calendars, you can find it out. Okay. And then again, resources will be, if I put some notes, videos, you will be over the Canvas. Okay, yeah, Canvas, Canvas, website. Yeah, and then let me see anything. Let me close this one. Yeah. All right. Okay. And then again, since since some students contacted me, they got some job training, or for whatever reasons, they are not able to show up in class. So in that case, in order to take the attendance, we faculty are required to submit the attendance report, I believe, noon Tuesday next week. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for session like that, then the way I do, instead of reading your name, mark it, I use the syllabus quiz. Okay, yeah. So again, you can log into Canvas, click modulars. Okay, yeah, click modulars. Will be here. Okay, click modulars, and I click syllabus quiz. It's a very simple quiz. Only 5 questions. That's all. Only 5 questions. And really, to my knowledge, you can get it done within 5 minutes. Okay, yeah. But then it serves few purpose. For example, then I can kind of when I submit the attendance report, then I can tell the school, say, hey, the student indeed is still attending and participating in class. MOU. So this purpose number 1. Purpose number 2, for someone who have never taken online exam in the past, for whatever reasons, maybe your previous this is the first time you transfer to Southeastern, you have no clue how to take it. online exam, then you can through this one it give you the chance to practice. And I believe I do not set limits at all, so you can take it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times until you get tired of it. Okay, yeah. And I will use it. Highest grade is your score. Okay, yeah. So again, kind of serve 2 purposes. Okay, yeah. Attendance report, and then also in case you need to know how to take an online exam, and through practice at least you can learn how to do it. Yeah. So that will be something I wanted to remind you all. Okay, yeah. And then let me see, yeah, modulars. Okay, yeah, modulars. Okay, so again, I mentioned it. Okay, kind of at the end of each class. Okay, then again, I will try to upload the notes. Okay, and if I use any notes. Okay, and also I will upload the video. Okay, so you say, well, where I can access the video. So go to modulars. This is week 1, and click week 1. Then, oops, sorry, it should be Tuesday and Thursday. My bad. Okay, yeah. In the past, I taught this class until Mondays and Wednesday. I need to change that. Okay. Then again, you will be able to access the lecture video by clicking the link over here. Okay, yeah. And they can they will cover what I covered in class in case you are not here on that day. About you, yeah. So I think that that is what I have in mind as of now. So any questions? Okay, so let me see. I promise you that you go early, okay, but not so early, okay, not so early. Time is money, you know, time is money. Okay? So you are here, you spend your time. So I'm not going to waste your money. Okay, yeah. So so I mentioned about a little bit of review on the basic Java syntax. So I have the note prepared. Okay, yeah, I have the note prepared. Okay, yeah. Java 21.pdf. If we now let's look at the title. Okay, yeah. So this one you mentioned about you can learn Java in 21 minutes. Okay, yeah. To be honest with you, yeah, I'm not as smart. Okay, yeah, I cannot learn a new language in 21 minutes. Okay, I'm not as smart. Okay, maybe you can. Okay, yeah. But then I like about this document is that I kind of give a quick review. Okay, yeah, in case that you forgot about the basic Java syntax. Okay, so I will just quickly cover some, not all of them today. Some, okay, yeah, some of it. In case that if you want to go home and then type the code. Okay, yeah. So let me quickly jump to some of the syntax over here. So this is just assume that I mean, if you have the compiler set up, and then you want to compile the code from command line, then you can you can use syntax like Java C space the name of your Java file, and then you will do the compilation into the so-called, if I remember correctly, bytecode, into bytecode, and to run it again from the command line, then you just use Java executable code and space the name of your Java file. No need to use the Java. So that is one of the ways to do it. However, in this course, I would prefer you to use this GUI compiler, also called IDE tool to write your code and then compile your code, because usually those IDE is kind of including the compiler and the debugger along with other tools you can use. So that is something that I encourage you to use next time, not today, okay, next time, okay, I will show you, okay, how to set one up, okay, yeah, next time, okay, not today, okay, yeah. But then in case that you might be wondering, say, hey, I mean, what software you would recommend us to use, okay, yeah, then I would recommend you to use Apache NetBeans, okay, yeah, 22, okay, the current version I checked yesterday is 22, okay, all the release. You can click the link over there. Yeah, you can click the link over there, and it's free, okay? Yeah, it's free. Download it. If you prefer to use some older version, yeah, you can check it out. Okay, yeah. But then again, as for how to set everything up, next time, okay, we'll watch video about how to do that. But feel free to watch it if you want to jump ahead of time. Okay, yeah, this is also good. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so okay, that will be the command line compilation. Okay. And then let's start with some very simple Java syntax. So for Java, if you need to declare variables of integer type, then you start with the keyword int. Int stands for integer. And then you can declare a variable of whatever name you like. If you have one more, just add a comma, then put another variable name. But end with a semicolon MRC. Okay, so this is Java, not Python. Not need you to add this semicolon at the end of the statement. But Java, you can do that. But in case that you say, what is this? 2 forward slashes. That means that comments. So if you want to add some comments, then you can precede it with this so-called single line comment. 2 forward consecutive, make sure consecutive, okay. 2 consecutive, kind of forward slashes, Then you say, well, why you say single line comments? Well, another option to make so-called multi-lines comment is you start with a forward slash and then an asterisk, the start, okay, yeah. And you type whatever in between, add more lines in between, add more line, but end with the asterisk and forward slash. So this is so-called multi-line comments. The one we saw here is single line comments. For let's say in case that if you need to declare variables to store, let's say floating numbers like pi 3.14156 get all some fractional values, right? Then you declare variable of double data type. Yeah. And then again, if you just need to store value, like yes or no, true or false, for example, you say, well, under what occasions we would like to use a variable like that. Well, maybe you're going to design a program to ask whether a person is married or still single. It's just yes or no. That's it. Right? Or gender. Male, female, as of now. Or maybe are you a student? Or not. Or maybe are you 18 years old? Well, for driver license, what's the age of 15 and a half? 16. So I mean, are you 16 years old or not? Then if 16, sure. I mean, you can drive your own car if you got a driver's license. All right, and then again, in case that if you need to store, maybe just a cap, then you can use the char. And then you say, well, how about I want to store the name? Then you can use another type like string, 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 So here are just few types, but then a few commonly used types. Also, sometimes we call it the primary data type because it's built into this language. And of course, I mean, we'll also touch upon class objects. So usually we call it user-defined data type, but not today, in due time. So once you got this data types figured out. Usually the next topic will be covered in programming one will be perform some arithmetic operations, basic arithmetic operations. So in Java, for addition, you will use plus sign, subtraction, dash, division, like this, forward slash, right? And then also if you need to retrieve remainders, then use the modular operator, which is the percentage, right? And then again, if you need to change the so-called order of operation, which means that you want for equation, or sometimes we call it expression like this, you want 5 plus 2 to be executed first. Then again, do the multiplication with the number 3 over here. Then all you need to do is just group, use a pair of parentheses, group, this sub expression 5 plus 2. Then in that case, the computer will perform the operation on this sub expression first, and then do the multiplication. So this is the so-called order of precedence. Sometimes people call it order of operation. And then here will be again in the event that if you need to do division, then you can use this forward slash, and then for modulation means that you want to find out the remainder of the value stored in the variable m, and then divide by 8. You want to find out the remainder. Most of the time, when you use the modular operator, the both so-called operands, the one on the left and the one on the right, most of the time, they will be integers. Integers. And then if you want to assign a value to a variable, like true or false, then you can type true. This is this keyword. We so-called keyword. And for character, then you can use these single quotes, and then put whatever character in there, and then assign to the variable on the left-hand side of this equal sign. So we call the equal signs over here is the assignment operator. Assignment operator. For strings, in due time, I will show you the example. For strings, then you use double quotes. You declare a variable of string data type. Then you assign the so-called string data value with double quotes to get that string variable. It is not covered over here, but then again, in due time, I'll cover it. All right, and then let's see. And then the next syntax over here is so-called you can allow you to declare a variable and then initialize value to that variable at the same time. So the syntax there, double f equal to 0.3 means that you declare a variable of f, name f of double data type, but at the same time you assign the value to it in one statement. Sure, why not? Nothing wrong about it. All right, and then next one is something that a little bit tricky. A little bit tricky. Assume you declare a variable f of double data type, and then you write a next expression like this: f equal to 1 divided by 3. In your mind, right? In my mind, I will say, oh, the result will be 0.3. 3 repeat a couple of times. But computer said, sorry, my friend, no. The result is not 0.333. The result is 3. So it's not the same? Not. Again, not. So that's why from time to time when I talk CS1, I would remind students that and make sure you verify your result and make sure that the way you think is the same as a computer. So you might be thinking that, well, why it is 0, not 0.3? The reason is that 1, we so-called integer literal is an integer. 3 is an integer literal. Okay, it's 3. So integer divided by integer for computer, it will give you what? Integer. So even though we think there is a 0.3 there, right? But then computer said, no. Integer divided by integer, the result will be integer. So that's why 0.3 is gone, got truncated. It gives you 0, right? It gives you 0. But then if you print it out, you'll be shocked. The result might be 0.0. Yeah. But then you just said that 1 divided by 3, the result is 0, integer. But why when I print out 0.0? Because 0.0, even though it's a literal value, but it's double that high. So there is the so-called implicit conversion. About here, because the left-hand side here f is double, right? So even though this expression generates integer 0, but the left-hand side is double, so it got, in this case, it got promoted. About you, before it performed the conversion, it got promoted to double. So that's why 0 becomes 0.0 and then stored into the variable f. About you. All right, the next one, in case that you say, it's kind of troublesome. If I want to get the real number, like 0.33333 something, what do I do? Easy. Just add 1.0 divided by 3.0. Boom, that's it. Or even 1.0 divided by 3 will be fine. But this is more of a better way to do it. All right, so I promise to let you leave early, so I'm going to keep my promise, So I will stop here again, and next time, I will review, some basics, some basics. I hope that I don't bore you, but then, again, for me, I need to make sure that you know the basic, because some students transfer from a different school, they use C++, or maybe Python for their programming one. But here we use Java. All right. Have a good day, and then feel free to stay if you have questions. Questions. Otherwise, hey, go and have fun. Relax.